What's up, gang? I'm about to show you how to do a little shear cut. Well, just go through a shear cut with you. Got my client Rome. He came in for a super low fade, and yeah, this is how it turned out. Real nice. He wanted like the Edgar feel in the front, so we kept the bangs. We didn't do too much with that. As you see, I'm just doing my little shear technique, you know, and I'm using my thinning shears just to get out some of that bulk. All right. So as you see, I go in with my comb, my flat tooth comb, and with that angle, I just go up and I cut with my thinning shears, you know, really fast, and you have to have your own rhythm. You'll find your own rhythm the more you do this, okay? Like I say in previous videos, don't be scared, you have to try. And the more you try, the more you do this, the more you practice, the better you'll become. And as you can see, the fade looks really great. It's a nice low fade. It's more like a burst from it's not even skin. It's just a mean shadow, low burst fade all the way around. And as you can see, I'm just shearing, just debulking the sides a little bit towards the occipital region, just to make sure that it fits his whole cranium the right way. And as you can see, there's no enhancements. It's just straight sauce. Okay? So like I said before, just take your time, find those angles, you find the bulk in the hair, and you just go up lightly.
Now take it off.
Comb and go up lightly. He has no product in his hair. He don't like to use any product in his hair. At the end, I did put a little bit of sauce in it, and light sauce. And I'll go through that once we get there. As you see, we're still using our thinning shears just to debulk. Okay? Feel free to zoom in so you can get some better angles and you get your better view. All right? And that's my client Rome. You know, just a nice low fade. A nice low fade. We kept everything natural. He's checking out the cut right now. I just took my clippers and I'm just taking out some of the unwanted hair that I see in the back, in his nape region. That's it. Okay. And he's checking out his cut, making sure everything is good. Of course, everything is good. You know, I like to make sure that I have everything pretty much as perfect as possible. So I'm just making sure the back of his nape is clean. And you don't want to press too hard, because if you press too hard, it'll leave red marks. And so I did go back in and debulk the back. As you can see, I saw a little bit once I stepped back. But that's a perfect low fade, you know, all the way around. And I will go through a full tutorial on how to do a low fade with straight hair. The most important thing, you want to make sure that your client is satisfied with the final product, with the final service. And as you can see, he's very satisfied. He's just modeling right now, taking some pics, getting the cash out ready. You know, yeah. Everything is perfect. You see my son in the background, he's recording. He usually does most of my recording right now. Very, very talented. He's only 8 years old. He's giving really good angles. And you probably can tell because the angles are a little bit low. He's not that tall yet, but he's doing very good. But that's a very nice low fade. I don't like to toot my own horn, but damn it. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet for more great content. You know, how to barber. You want just nice, simple steps and techniques. Go ahead and follow your boy. All right? And until the next time, I'm out. Make sure you subscribe. Yeah.